Hi, welcome to online learning at ID Courses. I'm Sainath Jayachandran, Lead Course Director. I'm going to take you on a tour of online certificate course provided in ID Courses. Here, I'm going to elaborate on what you can expect to achieve by the time you complete your interior design course. Students often choose online learning because they have existing work or homework commitments, and this course gives you the complete flexibility to study when and where you like. By end of the course, you will be recognized by ID Institute NVUP Accreditation program. That will be a launchpad for you to work in industry as a qualified interior designer. The course takes approximately 9 months to complete, so if you can dedicate about 5 to 6 hours per week to your studies, you have up to 2 years to complete the course, so there is plenty of time to enjoy. The course is split into 9 modules containing a wide range of interactive learning, from quick quizzes and fun assignments all the way to realistic client and portfolio projects. You will cover many topics including learning about different interior materials, window treatments, upholstery, color theory, lighting, bathroom design, bedroom and kitchen design, and even commercial design, and study about some of the famous designers in this industry. In the evolution of interior design, you will learn how to develop your creative proposals using design process, concepts and technical drawings, and further sketching 3D visuals and much more. Each section contains a series of projects which will test your practical, creative, technical and professional interior design skills. We are looking forward to welcoming you onto the course.